Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna find out if you can deep fry Pillsbury caramel rolls. Let's get into it. Here's the caramel. We'll toss that to the side. Post in the comment section down below if you think that this is gonna be successful. You can also call me an idiot like the last person when I tried to deep fry cookie dough. That's very good for my self-esteem. I don't give a shit. Maybe I do. Go slowly. Holy. Ooh, really puffing up. I think it's one of those things you gotta flip.
I put it away.
Okay, we'll see if this is a fail or a pass. Can you deep fry Pillsbury caramel rolls? Drop one down here. We'll try it. That is delicious.